How to install WhatsApp Messenger app on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe up to go into the app screen and open up Play Store. In Play Store, tap on the search button at the bottom. Then we go to the top and in the search text box, type in WhatsApp and then tap on the search button. Here tap on install and it is now installing on the phone. So once it's finished, you should be able to see it in the app screen. It is still installing, so we wait for that to finish. Okay, when it has finished, tap on open. Then tap on agree and continued. Now put in the phone number, then tap on next. Okay, on this page here, tap on continued. And then tap on allow. Then tap on allow. Now the phone or the app will request a call. So here's automatically verifying. Okay, once the app verifies your phone number, we can then tap on continued, then tap on allow, then tap on allow, and here you can choose allow limited access or allow all. Then here you can choose to restore from a backup or transfer from an old phone, or you can skip. So here I can restore from backup and then tap on continued. And here I have some media to restore, so the app is now preparing to download from the backup server. After that, tap on next and in the profile info page, put in your name and tap on next. You can also add in a picture if you wanted to. Then tap on next to verify your email, or you can skip. Okay, the page will now be finished. Here said you want to backup, so you can include videos in the backup and backup using cellular data. So tap on done, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Here you can always access WhatsApp from the app screen, and then you can start the conversation. Thank you for watching this video.